How to create Gmail account. Alright folks, so you want to get yourself a sign-in new Gmail account. Perfect. It's actually super easy and we're gonna walk through it together, step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to open up your internet browser. Doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari or whatever else you have got installed. Just open it up. Got that browser window open? Good. Let me do mine too. So for this video, I'll be using an Edge. It's right over here. Tap on it. And once you're inside it, simply tap on search bar at the top. It's right over here. Let's skip it. Gmail. Create account, as we are going to create an account. And you can see it right over here. Then you will be seeing the first option, that is create a Gmail account. Simply tap on it. That will take you to this type of interface. Now simply scroll down and there you can see an option for create account. It's over here. Tap on it. That will directly take you to your profile and it's over here. Now simply tap on your profile icon in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. That will show you the list of all emails that you have right now. However, we are going to create a new account, so simply tap on add another account. And that will take you to this type of section where you can sign into your Gmail. And as we are going to create a new account, simply tap on create an account. It's over here. Tap on it. Then you will be given 3 options right over there. The first one is for my personal use, second one is for my child, third one is for my work or my business. Let's keep it for personal use. However, in your case, you can choose whatever thing you love. Simply tap on for my personal use or the option that you like, and now you will be taken to the form where you have to enter your first name and last name. Simply fill them up. Second option, that is last name, is optional, so I'll be keeping it as it is. If you want to fill the option of last name, so you can fill them up too. However, I'm moving without entering my last name. Simply tap on next after you're done filling this form. Then you have to fill up your basic information regarding your birthday and gender. Now simply fill them up. Then after filling them up, simply tap on next. Now you have to create your Gmail address. Here you can use the letters, numbers and periods. Let it be infc.preeti1 and let's check it out if it's available or not. For that, simply tap on next. So it's available. Now create a password which would be a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So this is really important, so listen up. Make sure you choose the strong password, something it's hard for others to guess but easy for you to remember. Seriously, a good password is your first line of your defense online. Don't use something obvious like password 123 on your birthday. Got a strong password in your mind. Tap it up in the password box, which is this one. Then just type it in the same way and confirm it. Just make sure you didn't make a typo mistake. Let me keep mine. Okay, once you filled out all those fields, the password and confirm it, simply tap on next. Alright, sometimes Google will ask you to verify your phone number. This is just for the security to make sure you are the real person and to help you recover your account if you have forgotten your password. Let me fill my phone number over here. And then after entering your phone number, simply tap on next. And that will send you a code on your phone number that is just entered. Paste it over here, then tap on next. Then you will be asked to enter your recovery email. So this is very helpful in case your Gmail account get hacked or you forget the password. Let me keep this for now, or you can just skip this process. Let me skip this right now. Then tap on next. Now you might see the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Here it's the long legal stuff. You can scroll through and read it if you want to know all the details. When you're ready, simply tap on I agree or something similar at the bottom to say you accept the terms. And here you can see I agree right over here. Tap on it and boom, you did it. Welcome to Gmail. Doesn't that feel good? You can see our 9 dots right over here. Tap on it, then tap on Gmail, and this is your Gmail. So there you have it, your very own Gmail account ready to go. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.